destructive force of anger. Something we all know. A force that brings out a different side of ourselves. Our heartbeat shifts into an unfamiliar rhythm. Transforms anger into who we truly want to be, is the source of all life, and the answer to everything negative. Love. Do you hear it? Do you feel it? Listen. Experience the unique rhythm, the rhythm of the heartbeat of the people around you. Let us share this rhythm together and send it out into the world where love remains the answer to everything anger